I made a mistake. Medyo isang buwan na rin mula nung in-upload natin yung camera test nung selfie camera ni Galaxy S24 Ultra. Pero hindi ko pa pala nagawa yung main camera, which is, yun nga yung pinaka main, di ba? Yung 200 megapixel. And so ito na yon, Galaxy S24 Ultra. We have a package from Ugreen. Kung mahilig ka sa electronics at gadgets, you should be familiar with them. They're on Shopee and Lazada. Alright, let's go ahead and open this box. Saan tayo mag-umpisa? Sige, dito. Mali. Medyo matindi yung pagkakabalot. Puro packing tape. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Natempt akong sirain na yung box eh, pero yun. Voila. So we have a few products from Ugreen. Isa-isa natin. Okay, first we have the Nextnode 65 watt charger from Ugreen. Ayan, ang ganda nung, wow, grabe. Okay. I'm reminded of how good the cameras are on the S24 Ultra. Ayan, ang lapit. Ang lapit ko na sa camera, guys. Ayan, halos konti na lang, siguro mga 3 inches. Bubunggo na tayo sa camera ng S24 Ultra. And this one comes with 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports. And of course, USB PD compatible power delivery. Tapos ayan, it uses GaN technology. So wala kang problema kung ano yung capacity ng phone mo, automatic yan ma-detect nitong charger or nitong what do you call this? 65 watt GaN charger. Next, tayo sa white. Wow! Okay, very cute. This is one of the new products from Ugreen, and this is the Nextnode RG. Okay? It has the, ano tawag dyan? Robot styling. And this is the 30 watt fast charging version. Kasi there are two versions. There's 30 watts, tapos meron ding 65 watts. And this is the lavender colored variant. Ayan, US purple. Okay? O, 'di ba ang galing? Kasi kahit malapit, nagfo-focus yung ating phone. So, pwede siya pang unboxing. And one of the features of this charger is that there's a display which tells you when it's charging and when charging is complete. Okay? And it has a, ano ba yan? One USB-C port. So, we're probably gonna do a full review. Abangan nyo na lang yan. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Okay. So I mentioned earlier that there is a 65 watt variant. This is the one. And this variant comes with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Oh, by the way, this one retails for 999 pesos and this one retails for 1,799 pesos. So look at the rear packaging. You have the list of features right there. So this includes smart power distribution, which I mentioned earlier. Tapos syempre yung charging speed, no, 65 watts. Of course, USB Type-C and USB Type-A, ano pa? Tapos yung protection for your gadgets, safe charging. Okay. So we have 2 of these. Do you guys wanna do a giveaway? Total, malapit na tayo mag 10k subscribers. Comment kayo dyan if you guys wanna see a giveaway on this channel. Wow, okay. And this is the 30 watt, the black variant of the 30 watt charger. Ayan. Okay, very nice. Last but not least, we have a, ano to? USB-C to USB-C cable. This is something that we need for our studio. And this is supposed to be 3 meters. Ayan. Chine-check ko lang yung kanyang length. So very important yan, lalo na pagka yung setup nyo, yung work area nyo, workspace nyo medyo malayo and you need to connect your devices using wired solution. So for example, for this, we need to connect the camera to our laptop, which is located sa kabilang dulo ng ng studio. So kaya kailangan namin ng mahaba-habang USB Type-C cable. Alright, so pakita natin, display natin yung mga Ugreen products. Baka malaglag. So abangan nyo na lang yung full hands-on review of the robot. Ito, yan, i-review natin yan. The robot charger from Ugreen. And in the meantime, kung gusto niyo makita, if you're interested in Ugreen products, just head over to the links which we will be posting in the description box for the official Shopee and Lazada flagship stores. See you there.